So early Saturday morning, my Ring doorbell alerted. There's the delivery guy. And then here comes my neighbor getting his food. I decided it's time to put some numbers on my house. I found these 10-inch white aluminum numbers that will hold up to the weather. I need a level, the numbers need to be straight, a Sharpie to mark the holes. This is going into brick, so I went to the hardware store and found these lead anchors for masonry and long screws that fit the pre-drilled holes in the numbers and the anchors. A drill with a 5/8 inch masonry bit that was required by the anchors, a hammer in case I need to tap the anchors in. I also have a hex head for the drill to tighten the screws, and some spacers because I want the numbers out a little bit from the wall. I think this brick wall right outside the porch will do great for putting the numbers on. My first step is to find a straight horizontal line. The brick line will give me that line. So all I have to do is hold the numbers up vertically to the brick line and put the level on them to make sure that they are straight up and down. I'm going to mark the holes with a Sharpie marker so that I know where I can drill, and then I'm going to pull the number from the wall and make sure I can see where my marks are. I'm going to repeat this with the other numbers. My next step will be to get the drill with the drill bit on it and drill where I've marked. This small drill is not going to drill into the brick. I have a belief of working smarter, not harder. So, pause. I now have the big drill. The big drill will go into the brick. So I drill where the holes are that I've marked, and then I continue with placing the anchors in the holes. After placing the anchors in the holes, I will tap them with the hammer. I then place the screw into the hole in the number and slip 2 washers onto the back side of it. Next, I will line up the screws with the anchors in the walls and tighten the screws in. And there we have it. Nice new numbers visible from the front of my house in the street.